Hey guys, we received this 52-inch smart ceiling fan for viewing purposes, and as you can see, you can connect it with a application to control it directly with the application. It has 6-speed adjustments. It's IP44 waterproof, and I think that it's great because you can install it indoors, outdoors, wherever you need it. You can install it on different ways, which I think that it's great. Okay, first we get a quick startup guide. Okay, which it's important. All the pieces that comes included and everything. Okay, how to connect it to the application and all. Okay, nice. Then we get the user manual. You can see in the user manual we can see two different ways that we can be installing the ceiling fan with a mount base or a hanging style, which I think is really nice. Okay, this is the pieces that are going to be used for this installation, and it comes really well protected. As you can see, they come each piece inside a bag, which I think is nice. We get in here the fan blades. Okay, we will set up. This side we get the lamp. They are LEDs, which I think that it's great. Okay, this hook that comes included with this support, it's for installing it outdoors if you just want to hang it, which I think that it's great. This one is for the ceiling. As I said, you can just install it this. We get also each piece that we're gonna need to do this installation, all the screws, everything, even the things that we're gonna need to do the wiring. Okay, get the blade screws. We got a canopy option for hanging it, and the mount ceiling installation canopy, which I think is great. And here we get the down rod and the ceiling fan blades stuff. This side we get the remote control with its important information, all the buttons on how to use it, which I think is great. And we get another download, which I think it's nice, is that you can select if you want a 5-inch download or the 10-inch, depending on the height of your ceiling or where are you going to set. Okay, so I think that it's nice. It's everything that comes included. So let's go ahead and start assembling everything up, and let's see how it works. Come on. Okay guys, the proper installation of this ceiling fan is actually really simple. The instructions are really clear, and something that I think that it's nice is that, as I've said and mentioned, you get two different ways of installing this fan. You can either hang it and choose to just plug it into the electrical outlet if you are placing it, I don't know, outdoors or where you want to place it, or even using the ceiling mount that I'm gonna choose, which I think that it's nice. You can also customize light effect, and it's perfect, so you can use it on winter, as it has reversible DC motor. You can place it and use it, as I've said, summer, winter, any kind of situation that you need. It's perfect. It's also IP44 waterproof rated, and it's rust proof. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it's really nice. You can turn on everything with the remote control. You can turn it on, as you can see, the light. You can select 6 speeds from the dial, which I think that it's nice. You can also leave it on a natural wind, which I think that it's really great. That's time when you don't want a lot of wind in your bedroom or anything, just leave it like a natural wind, which I think that it's perfect. We can change the temperature of the light, which I think that it's great. We can get it from a warm white to a cold white, and we can also move up the brightness. Okay, we can also use the application to turn it on. Use the fan. Okay, select speed, so I'm going to move it up to 6. Changing the lights also really easily. And I think that it's great because that way you can control your ceiling fan a little bit more easily without having to be a lot of trouble. And I think that it's great, and as you can see, it's really nice. It's easy to install it. It's great to place it indoors, outdoors, or wherever you need it. So overall, I would really recommend it. See you guys.